Welcome back, guys. So, today's episode, we're going to take on a blind one again. I could have done it in my live, but I decided not to. So, when we go live every day, we decided that we won't be doing Last Day on Earth every day. We'll probably be doing it only like twice a week, every other live stream. Since we do every day, every other live stream, we'll be on the newest game, Durango Wildlands, because I am not that far into it. I only played like 30 minutes into it. And that 30 minutes into it was actually on a live stream. So through the entire time we're going to be going through the Durango Wildlands, the entire game will only be on live stream. You wanna know what that means? That means that if we're not on live stream, we're not playing Durango Wildlands. That's just how it's gonna be. But I will turn on hell mode. Once I mod this Glock. I do have two AKs and M16, but I am trying to save M16s for turrets and for fourth floor and putting in a recycler. So I don't want to use it. Also, not the AK-47s, because AK-47s are really rare, like super rare. You mostly only get them out the red box. You can be lucky and get them out the yellow box. You barely get any out the green box. I'm just gonna state that right there. But so we're gonna try to use Glocks only. I think our clan is actually doing some heavy stuff right now. Let's see it. So that guy got kicked. And actually, I want to see my one friend online because he did want to join the clan. So I'm not going to. He's not online. But Mr. Dwight 3162. Mr. Dwight 3162. Can I still invite him even though he's not online? No, so when he does get online, I will then I will invite him to the clan. But the days are numbered, guys. If you want to join the clan, hit that request button, and before you hit that request button, tell me about it and I will let you join the clan. Because there's 4 invites right now, and I don't know who I should add. I wish they would up the number on how much friends you can have so I can actually see where they're at in the game and what they go through in the game, because I don't want to add just anybody. Okay, so we're gonna turn on hell mode right now though. And in case these shotguns are not enough, we do have a AK-47 and shotgun stockpile here, plus a VSS stockpile. So, let's get it done. And I totally forgot that was one of the quests we had to do too. But we have to get 2 more things. Because this does end in a day and an hour. Hopefully when we do farm, we'll get close to getting that last mill core. And when we do get that last mill core, we will most definitely do the police department again. I still decide whether it should be on live stream or on a video. But if you want it on a video or on live stream on Twitch, put down in the comments below, please. If you want to join the clan, put down in the comments below and give me your information. You do have to be online when I send it, though. Yeah, I know that's dumb, but it's how it's done. But, let's get through this hell mode and go to the police department. Do I have any melee weapons? Yeah, I have a sawmace blade. I'm trying to keep those. Down with the big guy. Okay, it is kind of lagging a lot. Me and my friend Erica, she had this thing on Instagram, and it was sort of like a debate that me and her had. Because, like, honestly, like, if a girl wants to have sex at first, this has nothing to do with last and nerves. But if a girl wants to have sex at first, what's the sense of saying no after? I mean, that's just my personal opinion. But if you don't want to have sex with a dude, don't say yes. Because you're only supposed to say yes once you're sure what you want. I mean, that's like buying a Bugatti and saying you don't want to buy it, and then you can't bring it back to the dealership. Like, you gonna send someone to jail for that? We're trying to get this toxic spirit alone, so we are going to run all the way down here. My shoes broke. And no stuff. But let's equip these shoes. Put the armor like this. Take out the M16 and take out the turret. Because that box right there does have hell mode items in it. We're probably going to do a lot of complaining to Kefir because, like, I'm just saying, their lag is, like, too much. We got a machete, though, that we're not taking that. How's this other armor doing? Okay. But we can't have it doing this when we go and take on the blind one. But let's equip this shirt now. Keep coming with those helmet on, boys, I'm telling you. We try and get all the goods. And so, should we? Give me a show, I got guns to spare. Get the hell out of Dodge Town, boys. Yeah, I know it was hurting us, but I didn't care. Drinking some agua. And I really don't feel like using a first aid kit for that health. Alright, let's get down to it. To see if it's going to like heavy. No, also might do. I might try to kill those other zombies and see if there are going to be any grenades. There, don't we have like metal, not a metal pipe. Yeah, no, it's not a metal pipe. A crowbar in our inbox. Okay, so we didn't. And by the way, I'm never going to take those basic book bags or the military book bag out of my inbox. Because as you know, we have the tactical. Best book bag in the game. And look, so if y'all ever lose your tactical book bag, there's a little trick, okay? So if you die, do not press the revive button. You want to go to your settings, delete the data from last day on Earth. I know what you're probably thinking right now. Probably thinking, I'm gonna lose all my stuff. You won't. You delete all your data from last day on Earth. And then when you go back to the game, it'll start your brand new account and it's gonna give you a code to get your old account back. Do the code. And once you do the code, it will bring you back to your old account and you will be at where you were before you died. So let's say you go to the red zone. The big one kills you at the red zone. If you do all those steps that I just said, then it'll bring you at the red zone, but it'll bring you right before you entered to the area of the red zone. So anything you did in that red zone wouldn't count. Also, your death wouldn't count. You understand what I'm saying so far? We've only had to do that once on this account. Because it lagged heavy. The one time our shotgun. This is all durability. Don't mess me up now. But yeah, if you do lose it, you'll want to not hit that revive button and do that trick. Because no one wants to lose their tactical backpack. Because as you know, it is not craftable yet. He tried to trick me. But this is going to be an end to Mr. Blind One here. Let's go, we got another one of those, and we got his bones. Okay. But really want to, but let's just not do that. What I want to do is see if I have enough items to get this floppy disk. If I do, after the police department, we will definitely go to the floppy disk. Or we might do it before the police department, depending on whichever is going to be the fastest. Okay, but let's go see if we got enough items for this floppy disk. Because if we do, we're going to be one happy camper, everybody. But I can't wait to start streaming, live streaming again. Because he got us to make this YouTube account and post Last Day on Earth content and stuff like that. Also, he told us how to try to get your YouTube at high points. Just have fun taking videos and helping other people. And sooner or later, your channel will get big. Not saying it'll be for not saying that's the same for everybody, because some people probably can't wait that long. Okay, so boys and gals. So this is what we are going to do. Because I really want to get this floppy disk today. So, your boy is going to the second floor. I have a bunch of AK-47s in box and some shotguns, so I'm just going to shred through it real quick. Why not? You know, it's not a pain. So might as well, right? But we are going to put the shotgun in our second pocket and storm this place. That there. We also do have another hat, because I think our hat's at the lowest durability. Yes, our hat is at the lowest durability. I really don't like these guys, to be honest. Equipped this AK. They drop the roaming zombies actually drop more in hell mode than they do in regular mode. Okay, I don't want you hurting me. But they do take more damage. I mean, they do more damage to you. Like I said, I got a big shotgun stockpile. In my inbox, so I'm not really worrying about shredding through these shotguns that much. Seems like they love dropping this gun oil a lot. I mean, look, I don't really care. Gun oil is good to have because I got a bunch of mods that need to be made that need this gun oil. So I'm not really stressing about getting this gun oil. I am not stressing about those bandages or the water either. We could do the wall trick, but look, I would rather not take out the Frenzy Giants in hell mode. Just because, you know, zombies do more damage. So I'm going to take out this turret. And then I'm going to see, is that going to be enough to get my floppy disk? I would definitely take those turret parts, boys and gals. We got a red ticket and some of this juicy stuff. So now we are going to see. Why not destroy these last few zombies? I mean, they will be a pain. Especially this dude. And so that should be enough for hell mode. Now let's see. Honestly, we could probably take out a Frenzy Giant, but yeah, we could probably take him out. Let's see. We're gonna do the wall trick though, because he's a little deadly in hell mode. Mr. Frenzy Giant, make sure to come right here. In case this doesn't go as planned, we will equip the gun. We have enough first aid kits. If he does do a few hits on us. But when he first comes at you, he does kind of go slow. It's not a bad thing. But we want to get him closer. I know we are kind of spending a bunch of time in hell mode right now. But I promise you it'll be worth to watch. Because I am also showcasing how to do the wall glitch with these Frenzy Giants. Ooh, that wasn't good. Okay, now that I know that has to be enough. So, let's go get this floppy disk. I mean, we have to go home anyways to grab some melee weapons to do the police department, so it's not really gonna hurt us. And then floppy disk locations are not worth the loot for you at the beginning. I have thought about this little neat trick, like this idea. Collect all your floppy disks until you reach level 15. Because once you do that, you have a chance to get a mill core out of every floppy disk. And we indeed got a floppy disk. Okay, so we're gonna put no, we want to put our medkit there. We are going to get our coordinates. Hopefully it's not in the middle of freaking nowhere. So let's go to it. But this video is kind of getting long, so I'm going to skip short to the floppy disk location. So we will catch you in a sec. Okay, we are back to doing our shenanigans. I tried to change my name, but I need one more day since I have not had this account for a total of 30 days yet. So yeah. But one more day, because I've been watching other YouTubers, when they create their free-to-play accounts, they actually have their name and then free-to-play. Since it's not their actual account. But soon, sometime, when we... Let's watch it now real quick. But soon, sometime, when we actually get a desktop set up, we will log into this account, but we will also make a pay-to-win account so you can see the difference on free-to-play accounts and pay-to-win accounts. But there's that. That thing's fake, so if you go on Instagram and you see that iPhone stuff, don't believe it, because we have done it like 4 times and it doesn't work at all. Now I'm going to flex on y'all, it don't work. But are we going to be incredibly rich, or are we going to be disappointed if it's an infected box? Because we do not have the infected box. So if they give us the infected box, you know your boy LDOE_God is going to be highly upset. But I don't believe you can get an infected box until you reach the last level. Until you reach the last level in hell mode, I don't think you can get an infected box until you reach that last level, which is for the mill core. So if you're hoping to get an infected box when you just started hell mode, like when you're your first hell mode trials, you're probably gonna be highly disappointed. But we told someone in our clan that we'll tell them how the second box is, because this is our second opening. And yeah, he's gonna run at us. We're gonna hit him with the yeet. Okay, please don't run at us anymore. Okay. The only good thing about it, AIs cannot come at you over here. And there's a puppy. Come here, puppy. It's a girl puppy, so nothing to be amazed about. But we're gonna kill these two guys. So they are both running zombies, so we're going to try to cheat the system a little. And yeah, yeet this guy. And that guy was not noticed, so that is good. But without further introducing the box of mysteries and richness. Okay, we got him on. That's a good start. We got one gun. It's just an M16. We got a steel plate. I guess full SWAT armor is always good. Two C4s are always good to see. It's not that good of a box. I really don't want those, so it's gonna have to go. I'm sorry. I don't like those because aluminum wires, aluminum coils are better to use. I'll tell you why. Because two of them gives you one aluminum bar. Those things that we just deleted, you have to use up to 5 or 6 of them, and they still take an hour. Like, come on, it's like that long, and it uses up a bunch of, what you call coal. Like, no, do you know how much planks and logs you need to get coal? A lot. And logs, like, I go through logs a lot. I don't know about anybody else. But, that was that loot. So, we got some of those, so that's good. Another copper bar. So, we might see our base, we might not, but our objective is to police the Blackport PD. And we might take a visit here. After we watch the math, of course. Yeah, you see all those coins there. I know, but I don't feel like using them. But please tell me down in the comments below, how are your floppy dislocations doing? How's your bunker doing? How's your bunker Harmo doing? Are you killing the blind one? Are you having issues killing the blind one with a specific weapon? Tell us that specific weapon and we will try our best to kill the blind one with that specific weapon. If you're having trouble getting first aid kits, I will show a tutorial on how to farm for them. But right now, I can tell you the best and fastest way to farm for them is wait until you get your healing skill. I can talk about it now, like wait until you get your healing skill. Then once you get it, grab one bandage and put it in your third pocket. And collect a bunch of these. And then just keep making them in areas. Because most likely, by the time you leave the area, you will only have to use your healing skill once, and you won't have to use bandages. And by the time you go to the next area, your healing skill will already be ready to use again. And once that is, you won't have to use any bandages, and then you will farm them like crazy. And when you got enough materials at your base, just grab a bunch of melee weapons or guns, whatever your specific ideal weapon is. Go out and collect a lot of berries, plus plant fibers, seeds to have food, and then the plant fibers to put in the sewing machine to make more cloth, and therefore more bandages, therefore more first aid kits. But if you are still having problems with that explanation, I will do a tutorial on how to collect them the best possible way. But let's clear this area out, and let me stop talking before I end up dying. Another toxic spitter might come at us. I mean, that's just rope. If it comes down to it, we'll just like trade rope out. USB. Cigarettes. We don't really need those. We'll need all that stuff. Is there any big guys we can kill for experience? Nope. And we're going to try to cheat the system once again. And so, there's something we probably don't need here. Wait, none of that stuff is even important. Yeah, no, we do need it. It's one tape. Like, we're gonna be collecting tape a bunch of times. So let's just get rid of that one tape. Let's stroll through the area. I don't really care about that. We don't be showing love to our followers a lot on Instagram. On Twitch, we thank everybody for like participating in the live streams, and we thank everybody for following us. But you should stay tuned because later we are going to go live on Durango Wildlands. We're gonna do this auto. Okay, so nothing to collect. We're gonna collect some. We have to build our sewing machines. We after all the stuff that I have in the game now, we have still not built the sewing machines. I know it's such an easy thing to build, yet it's not buildable it's not built at our base still. Yo, that man was getting in. Okay. It's one bolt, and we need those for weapon modifications. Okay, so I think that's it for the plant fibers. There might be like a few more. Okay, but with all this stuff done, we're going to meet you at the police station in a second. But with all that done, we're going to meet you at the police station, turning in 3 green badges and clearing the police station. Why it's most likely worth clearing it, because you can get a bunch of good stuff. But we will see you there in a sec. So welcome back, guys. So as you know, we already went to the floppy disk location, and we sadly only got an M16. But we did get 2 C4s and a whole set of SWAT armor, not as much copper bars or steel bars or anything else like that. But hey, I'm not gonna complain because at least it's a gun, you know? It could have easily not gave me a gun, like. So, I'm not gonna complain. But, let's get her done. Um, I'm just gonna take these two and then that one. No, we don't have to. Close red dot sight. We do have to take the silencer one back to our base because kind of don't want to use that. Because that is going to be used for raids. But, oh shoot, I have to grab these badges. Our blue ones, and we're going to grab the brown ones so we can transfer them in for a green one. I mean, our green badges, then we're going to transfer in for a green one. So, first is first. I'm going to put that up in there. So, I do not use it because I really don't want to. But your boy got his armor on. It's not good armor, but it's armor, you know. Not going to complain because some people have a hard time getting armor. We do have 2 chests full of armor. Then almost a full chest full of SWAT armor. But we only have like a box of tactical armor at our base. I don't know why it does this. So we're just going to let the time limit go by. And we're going to start walking here. Might as well wash his head. Let's have a discussion. So, and I'm drinking Sheets cold brew coffee. It's ground fresh, slow steep for hours, and served over ice. As you know, like we said before, we got the full package for the survival task from the D-Live currency. But I can honestly say, if you want to know if it's worth actually buying it, it is. So worth it. Let me tell you why. We're gonna go through it because up in the top, the part that you actually have to get the full version for, you get 75 coins. You get 125 coins for the first 3, plus an AK, then a Glock, shotgun, katana, mod, bandages, M16, Glock, AK-47, sledgehammer, shotgun, energy drink, katana, shotgun, electric circuit, which are very rare. 25 more coins, energy drink, another scar mod, full tactical set, VSS, one of the lots of useful experiences one. Another VSS, a Glock, electric circuit, again, very rare. Energy drink, AK-47, 5 first aid kits, which are hard to farm for, a whole set, a SWAT armor, coins, and all that good stuff. Going down, 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 down. Then the last one. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy that. But they want us to kill Timmy the Bloater. Make a deal with the dealer. That's not going to be difficult. Let's get this on though, guys. If you're watching the video, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more upcoming videos, because we're going to do the farm after this. Then we are going to go live on Durango Wildlands. Doesn't matter if no one joins, we're just doing it just for the fun. Like I said before, the only time we're going to be playing Durango Wildlands is on live stream. We're only live streaming Last Day on Earth twice every week. And I would advise you not to reset the police arena, because once you do not get good stuff. Just saying, everybody. I'm not a fan of scrap metal. I got too much on my base. But was it? That's almost fully built too. But without further introducing the loot you can get from this, a new scar mod, a Glock. We are going to need this second one. That's already 2 guns. It's already worth it. Another scar mod that we already have, and it's probably similar. We just got one more of those. So worth it. Now, can we get a third gun, Kefir? That's what I want to see. And we got a third gun plus a VSS mod. Whoever says it ain't worth it, send them to my page. Now I need one more, and I'm pretty sure I found a USB somewhere here. Somewhere in this entire place. But we got 2 Glocks. Plus a shotgun. But let's go on and start clearing it. I want to see, can I shoot him from here? No, it is totally impossible to. But we are going to kill this guy, because if we don't, he will let all those zombies out. And honestly, that is not something we want. And we are going to use this to its red durability. Because we need that for a mod. And why not use it to its red, then put it in the mod for the best use. But boys, we got a grenade, some SWAT, some regular armor. Oh, we are looking rich right now. Let me tell you. And we could use that to make the upgraded tier 1 armor. We are going to open that. I'm not trying to get any of these zombies to stand up. You're asking why we're using this? Because we might as well. What's the irony that it breaks as soon as we kill him? And let's go ahead. Sneak attack our buddy right here. It wasn't supposed to go down like that. He was supposed to die way faster. But, he went down, so I guess that's all that counts. But, let me know if clearing the police arena is hard for you. We'll do a different tutorial on any weapons to actually kill him. Like, any weapons that you actually want to use to kill him. We would definitely use those weapons to do it. And this guy is... you can sneak attack him every time. And now we're going to switch to M16 and take out Mr. Right Show Zombie. They are honestly annoying. Make sure you do not shoot him when he has his shield up, because you will miss. Every time. let's continue the series of clearing the police department, shall we? So we're gonna read that, and we just gotta level up. We don't need a transistor, but there are band-aids we can put in there. Another skill, and we got that. Who cares? We already got every skill that we want. I think there's just one more really rare one that we don't have. Give me all your band-aids. I am band-aid hungry. We're going to take care of this room before the other rooms. And now the weapon that we are going to... We are going to use the bat, not the smarter smelling weapon with all these strong dudes. But it is still a weapon that we don't really use that rarely. You gotta get out of his radius when he explodes because it's a one-shot kill. No matter if you have 120 health and the best armor in the game, it is going to be a one-shot kill every time. But now we can transfer for another green badge. Can we get you to... Yeah, there we go. We are not doing the police arena. So if you're watching this video to watch a police arena run, I suggest you just not watch it right now, because we are not doing that. But I need to find a USB drive. Don't get stuck on the screen. And he does do a lot of damage to you, so you will want to watch out, because that damage can be deadly. We're going to wait till this healing skill is ready to use, because I'm going to try and use these bandages, because I need more first aid kits. Another way to, if you're good at farming first aid kits and you still don't have enough, start doing the bunker for a while. Probably a few weeks, and then start doing it again, because the bunker does require a bunch of first aid kits. I would say more than a stack. Here's probably where we will have to. We're going to bring him to an open area. Go down, big boy. Okay, so that is actually going to break with one more hit. So we are not going to use it anymore. But we will get another survivor's notes thingy. So, see, that is why this is good to farm for. We got a free Glock out of one of those. Now, I'm not anyone that'll turn down a free weapon. Because sometimes I do want to do 99 ways in the police station to unlock the police bike, because that is the only way to unlock it. You have to do a whole 99 rounds. And the police arena, which is kind of shitty, but he didn't want that. But we didn't get any keys, so we are getting a little hungry. Good thing we picked up that jerky. So we do have to kill these smucks. But before I do, I want to make sure it does not lag. Because honestly, I am not trying to die with these guys right here. These fuckers do a bunch of damage. Just because of the armor we have on. That's the only reason. But I'm pretty sure police department is now clear. That is why I do not shoot him when he has a shield up. Because it does not hit him. And it does use durability. Which is gay. But down with this smoke. Yup, no keys. And I didn't get... Yo, I know I have USBs in my inbox. It should be somewhere. It should be some... I promise you I had it in here. Low-key Kefir be taking stuff out your inbox. Just saying. I do not see it. So... no luck on that. But we are going to take all these Glocks. Roll in the shotgun. And I'm going to give them that. One of the good things about the police department is the green badges, because you get melee weapons, which are very useful. Okay. So, I'm gonna grab these melee weapons. We did get a katana from one of them. But okay, so I'm gonna end the episode here. Please stay tuned for farm trials, but down in the comments below, tell me how your police department is going. Are you clearing it the easiest way? If you're not, please write down your complaints on why you are unable to clear it. How is your police arena doing? Are you using the best mail cords and grenades in the police arena? Are you using them to the best of their abilities? If you don't know how to use the grenades in the police arena, drop one down, count to 4, then go run away. You can count to 3, but this is what I mean by count to 4. Like half a second before you get to 4, then run away. That is the best way you'll be able to do it. But thank you a whole lot for watching. I'm going to catch you in the farm video. Peace out.